What is up, people? It's your boy Madolce Queen, and I am here with my next dungeon challenge video. And this one, I'm doing something that I never thought I would do because I'm a little nervous for it. I'm doing an all epic team for this dungeon, consisting of T-Shire, Helberus, and Colberus, the Puppy and Kitty Squad. Big thing about them is T-Shire has possession attacks. Colberus has a stamina leak attack and an attack that can give everyone nightmares. Helberus has an attack that can burn everyone, but also he also has one that gives them all nightmares. That's the one thing that they share in common. Helberus and Colberus. The big thing is, though, is Colberus, his is Horror Walkers, which attacks one but gives nightmares to all, and Helberus is Pit Walkers, which attacks one but gives nightmares to all. So, it seems like this is going to be a fun team to use. His attack, Am I Rude? It says it has a 50% chance of giving confusion, which is not very reliable, but when it comes to him, I will bank on it because, watch, he's still possessed. The great thing about his Am I Rude attack is if it does possess your opponent, they will be possessed for 2 turns. That is beautiful. Another thing is, here's his special. So wonderlanderful. So that's why I love T-Shire. He's become one of my favorite epics. I love the Hell and Colberus combo because they're both great and I love dogs. But T-Shire is a good old kitty cat. Good old kitty cat. But I'm pretty sure T-Shire also has a nightmare effect, so pretty much this is going to be my nightmare squad. Although I love Helberus because of his whatchamacallit. Does that? Nope. Never mind. Because he's all able to burn and nightmare. Colberus is able to freeze, stamina, and nightmare. He has something chomp and he has triple bite, which is like the vice versa of each other. So they're pretty much opposites on every basis. He's fire dark, he's water dark. I just love how they coincide. Ooh, here's his attack. It's not gonna matter because they're about to. He uses the Hell Door effect, which gives an instant death for in 3 turns. He will instantly die. Which I'm sure I can stall long enough to actually let that 2 turns. It's pretty much like 7 days. Instead, it's like 2 turns. I'm actually gonna let this one go. Because I want you to see how an instant death attack works. Because I already know I'm not gonna 1 turn. I'm pretty much just gonna recharge. And there it is. He attacks and then takes all of his health as damage. That's a really good attack. But the downside of it is that it's his special, which is why I don't think it's that good for it to be his special. Now, if he could just do that on a whim, that'd be awesome. But he can't. I just realized his stamina payment is his atonement fire. Ah, except he burns, he loses stamina. That's how that's gonna work. So, I like that. Be my guest, be my guest. Let me take you down to... I don't know. I don't know how to finish that. Caw. This is actually doing as a pretty good team, but we're only beginning with it. So I don't know how it's gonna proceed further. Guess we'll see. Alright, so I'm back with this. Some time has passed. It is now 4 days left in this event. Because I'm just a little bit lazy. And just didn't make the time to film some more of this because I'm a bad person. But I've been outsourcing to other pages and things like on Facebook and Twitter and Kick and things like that, where people would see and possibly want to click and watch some of my videos so that they'd see like my dungeon challenges and my team wars and blah de blah de blah de blah. And someone actually has come back to me, finally. It's magical when it finally happens. With a team they like to see me use in my dungeon challenge. And the team they wanted was time. I can look it up while there are attacks happening. Am I looking in the wrong spot? There it is. It is Timerion. They wanted me to use Timerion and 2 commons, but I don't have Timerion. Which doesn't make sense. It's like, why would I use something that I don't have? So I suggested that I use a different team. The team I'm going to be using is Totem and 2 commons. I'm still going to do the 2 common thing. It's just that they wanted me to use someone who doesn't really attack, who only boosts, so that you can boost the commons and have them do the attacking. Which I am totally okay with, you know. That is pretty much what they were suggesting. Use someone who doesn't attack and the commons so that they can boost the common while they do all the attacking. And I thought that was clever, so I'm going to do that in my next dungeon challenge video. While in this one I was using all epics, even though I'm usually like suggest at least 1 legend so that there's a fighting chance. But I have faith in these legends, these epics. I have faith in their fighting capabilities and their effects, especially if you piece them together, to be able to make it in this dungeon. I'm also wanting to really get this done because I did this and I felt like it could take my time because it's going to be 4 days until it's gone. So I feel like I have time, but there's the gem dungeon and the runes dungeon. So the gems dungeon, the runes dungeon, they are here currently, and they're only going to be here for like a day or less, and I don't want to film 2 dungeon challenges at the same time, because then I'm gonna get my things mixed up, especially since I don't do them all at once. I do them in pieces, because like this is the second piece, and then I split it into 4 pieces because I take out the roulette spin. And once I take those 4 pieces out, I piece it all together and smush it into one big video. And I don't need 2 dungeon challenge pieces getting all scrambled up. So I'm just gonna I want to just do 1 dungeon challenge at a time so that I can keep my sanity and take it from there. So once I'm done with this one, which I want to try to finish all at the same time tonight. Once I'm done with this, I'm gonna go and complete those other 2 dungeons. And once I'm done with those, once those reset, is what I'm trying to say. Once they reset, I will... Like I was saying, once those reset, then the new dungeon, I will do the totem and 2 commons. This also gives me a little bit of time, pretty much just today and tomorrow, to level up Totem, because currently he's only like level 50. I want to get him at least to... My expectation is at least 80 for the first part. For the first little bit of the dungeon, and then while I'm doing the dungeon, I'll have chances to level him up. So on and so forth, so that he can just be a little more prepared. The commons, I already have those leveled up. I'm probably going to use Tyranno King and... Shoot. Tyranno King and who? I don't know what other commons I have that would fit well. I know I have Tyranno King at near max level, but who else do I have that's close to that? I guess I'm gonna have to go and see. Probably Firesoar or Treezard. I'm really gonna have to go and look. I don't keep track of my commons. They're too common for me. I've also had people who have seen my monster game say, "You have too little legends," and others have said I have plenty of. So, I look like a mess. I'm like full on beard and all these messed up face, and my hair's not done. Oh my goodness, I look terrible. Well, this I'm not filming one of my videos that needs my real appearance. It's mostly like, this is more of a performance kind of video. How well will you do? And commentary, not really of my looks. Compared to like I don't know. Yeah, just for no reason. He's like, no, not me. Anyone but me. No, it must be you. You will die in 3 turns. Not 3 turns. 2 turns. That's even less time. I'll take you out sooner. Everyone's like going before. There's always someone who goes before someone. You know, T-Shire has been going first on my team. And then it goes Colbrus. And then Helberus. Due to the speed difference. Ooh, you have no stamina. He knocked it out of you. What do we have here? Someone who's confused and ready to attack his own? Bird. Huh. He does have like small beady eyes. And status is for the win. Dang it. I really like his Am I Rude attack. Due to the fact that I can do a possession for 2 turns, but the fact that it only has a 50% chance of possession. Oh, so sad. Let's take care of you. This team has had a really good chance of getting rid of your stamina. Which is nice, honestly. Freeze. I should edit these first few parts. I should edit every time I do it. Just so I'm not lazy when it comes to getting it done. Instead of having to do it all at once, I do it when I have to. Actually, I've had more success when I do it all at once. I've had problems when I've done it in parts. Never mind. I'll do it the way I've been doing it. Since it's been so successful previously. No. Random hair out of place. That's going to annoy me. I just need to like trim this down or something. It's really bugging me. That is the weirdest bunny I've ever seen. I think it's actually supposed to be a skeleton bunny. Something like that. Man, I am actually really looking forward to being able to finish this dungeon. Well, this dungeon challenge. do the other few dungeons that are here at the moment and then do my next dungeon challenge because with someone actually suggesting something and it actually sounded really interesting, I just really want to do it, but I want to finish what I've started and do the other ones because those are going to be gone really soon and I don't think I have the time or I have enough time to record while they're around. So once the next dungeon's here, it's a free-for-all to try that new challenge. Colbur summons crows and Helber summons evil skeletal hands that come out of the ground. Creepy. Okay. And you summon coins that you throw at them and then steal back. What are you? Meowth? Payday. Oh, Super Tomato. How I wanted you. So badly. You seem like you'd be such a great monster to use. It's like, am I rude to say that? Maybe I'll just steal your stamina. What? Maybe you need to feel. You need atonement for your betrayal. No. They're like, no. Oh, no. Well, this is going horribly. So does not help. Fad diet. No. No. Crepes. And that will be it for this. This is where I lose. I'll never get past that Super Tomato. It's too powerful. This is too powerful. JK, I'm just gonna try again. Hopefully this time, I'll actually possess someone. Oh, I thought you can't be possessed. Lies you are telling me, eh? You can't be confused, but you can be possessed? Ooh, and you're going to be possessed for 2 turns. Maybe if I'm lucky, you'll use your weird little vampiric vegetables on your own team. How nice would that be? It is your illusion. I think that makes them weak to dark. So, let's do something. Pit walkers. Shows how powerful. Dang. It just shows how powerful a special can be and how clutch it can be in a battle. But it also shows how clutch possession can be. As I say while I don't possess anybody. Rude. I thought I was being rude, but the fact that you weren't possessed was rude. You and your stitching roots. Burns and Nightmares. So close. Still able to use that Stitch and Rude. Well, it was enough for him, which means you're out. After this, there'll be 2 more battles. A lead arrow. Nightmares, Burns, Confusion. Horror Walkers. And you will do the Atonement Fires. So that we can start putting some statuses on. Damage reduction. Cupid. Because that plus this. You're getting really close there. Yes. Yes. And then you. Dang it. Dang it! Ah! T-Shire, you're looking really good right now. Forgot you have his. Dang, specials can come in a heck of a ways. That just proves how much of a priority Legends can have over an Epic. And with the final boss, actually no, the final boss it's the ones before the final boss. It's like the minions before that, they're mostly Legends. Why can't I possess anyone? Sheesh. Ooh, this is getting hard. Yep. This could work. Statuses are amazing. I think it's really nice. After these last couple shoots, I'm gonna have an extra 400 mace coins, which is always helpful, where you can get mace coins whenever you can throughout the Maze Island event. Oh, I got 2 of them. Maybe I shouldn't have done a stamina loss. Darn. There goes one. Two. Dang it. This is gonna be quite difficult. Try again. Ooh. Oh my goodness, that took such a chunk out of my life. And this time I only got you, metalhead. Oh goodness. Oh, that hurt. That's another defeat. I wonder if I'll be able to actually get past this. Oh. That means that this one... Oh, I might give this one a title. This time I didn't get anyone. Why? Why do I... I'm just trying so hard for this. Like, two of them use their specials. Goes one. You're low on stamina. We'll freeze you this time. Now we'll try to burn you out. And go for another horror walker. Now the statuses should get you. And we made it past. That was actually harder than I ever expected it to be. And I just realized that one fight took 3 of my stamina. Ugh. Don't really have to worry about this fight too much because those 2 legends are going to be under my control for a couple turns. And I might as well put you in the same fun little boat, if that hit. 20 tons of sand does a lot of damage. No. Dang. Ugh, you have Daze Block. Trifling. And what are you gonna do? Take out your teammate while I take out you. Or should I say no, I still took you out. You could have taken yourself out. Oh, this seems like it's just gonna get a little bit harder. One thing that I heard someone leave in my comment section was, why don't I use runes? I'm stupid for not using runes. I don't want to put my runes on my monsters unless, like, I only want to put max runes. I don't want to put level 5 or 4 or 6. I don't want to put those kinds of runes on monsters, because when it comes to having to then take them off the monster, that requires gems. And then people are going to ask me, well, why don't you just put a rune over it? Well, because that's a waste of a rune. Since in this game, you can actually take the rune off your monster and keep the rune. So that is why I'm like, I'd rather be able to keep my runes. I'd want to keep my runes so I can do things with them later. Whether that makes it easier or harder to get through the dungeons or in my wars doesn't matter. That's how I play the game. I'm gonna save my runes and all. That's just how I play. You may think I'm playing stupid, but I like to save up my runes, then I level them all up, and my rune building is at max level, so I'm mostly trying to make level 10 runes. And depending on, like, sometimes I'll do it randomly, like I won't care. I'll just mix random runes together so that I can get random combinations and just see where it goes. Will I get speed? Will I get health? Will I get stamina? And once I get a level 10 rune, I'll see who I'll give it to. I know that sounds stupid. Oh, I forgot. I didn't pay attention to this. I was like, oh no. Yeah, it's possessed. But that's how I would just want to play. I know it's going to take a while for me to get a level 10 rune, but it'll be worth it in the end. That's how I see it. You have Nightmare Block, Horus. What shall you use now? Ooh. Beautiful. And then Helberus will go in for the, what is it? For the final blow. Well, this is it for the final 4 fights. For mace coins, gems, and a monster. We will see how it goes. Already going terribly. Come on. It goes meow. And then he is becoming the most problematic right now. Maybe not anymore. And then take you out. It's all about, oh goodness. That was like pure. Whew. Oh my goodness. I just got 5 gems from the last roulette, and then I'm going into this to try to get 5 gems. Come on. Possession to all. Confusion to all. You were all attacking one another. We lit. We are lit. I'm getting rid of that shield. And then for 2 turns, which is all I'm going to need to get rid of you, those 2 turns you will be attacking one another. And I get a special. That is the saddest special ever. I remember seeing him once be able to do a possession attack, which was great. Oh, and they're taking one another out. It's beautiful. We'll go with the triple bite and the multi-bite. Yes. With a burn for the win. Oh, at this point, it's like luck of possession. That is what I'm banking on, like, now. Oh, I love the thrill of it. It's like, am I rude to try to possess you? Maybe, but I'll freeze you, burn you all, and have Mr. Razorhands right there attack your own team for a couple turns. And I'll do everything in my power to let him survive so that he can still attack one another. Ooh, chipping away at that shield. Thank you. I'm going to try to and fail at possessing you. So we'll do some nightmares. Confusion says Ninja Shadow to take out your own teammates. Oh no. This should take care of you. And then there's you, who I will freeze temporarily. And I think I'll do a triple bite on you. Which one would do more? Triple bite or horror walkers? 7, 4, 8. Am I rude to confuse you? Whew, it has been a hard and grueling dungeon challenge. This has been one of my tougher ones, but that is what makes it so great. And ooh, to see how this is going to go will mostly depend on this. I got one of them. It was kind of the one I wanted, but I also wanted the nature metal dude. What shall you do to your own team? Ooh, fire attack to the one who is weak to. I mean, strong against. Let's try to take over Duchess. I don't understand why that monster's name is Duchess. I mean, Duchess is supposed to be like regal. I don't get it. Whatever, boo. Take a chunk. Let's take some more chunks. Chunks sound good. Chunks of energy. Chunks of health. Chunks of everything. Ew. This way, that burn will take you out. And that'll be another monster less to deal with. Now it's just you and them. What to do, what to do. You lose a turn because of confusion and stamina. And I'm gonna say, be my guest. And that will be it. I have gotten a Duchess. I have another one and I will be using it graciously for some cells. That will be it for this Monster Dungeon Challenge. Remember to leave a like, a comment, and to subscribe for more. And to leave that comment, leave me another team for future ones because I'm already going to go in with my next one. Just as a preview, I can't do it. But that'll be it. I'm just doing this because I want to get it done. But I will see you later. Always remember to stay sweet.